Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build a simple solar setup that you can follow step by step. This setup is perfect for charging small devices like smartphones, cameras, and lights. All you need is some sunlight, a solar panel, a charge controller, and a power bank. Step 1. Choose an appropriate location. Select a site that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day, like a south-facing wall or a rooftop. Make sure it's free of obstacles that could obstruct the sunlight. Step 2. Measure and prepare the solar panel. Grab a solar panel that suits your needs, for example, a 12 volts 10 solar panel. Make sure it's properly charged and fully charged before starting the installation. Step 3. Assemble the solar panel holder. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to attach the solar panel to the solar panel holder. Make sure the holder is securely mounted to the surface. Step 4. Connect the solar panel to the charge controller. With the solar panel connected to the charge controller, now it's time to connect the charge controller to your power bank or device you're charging. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the proper connection. Step 5. Set up the charge controller. Follow the charge controller's user manual to set it up properly. Make sure the battery charger is connected to the power bank or device you're charging, and the solar panel is connected to the charge controller. Step 6. Charge your device. Place your device you're charging on the charge controller's charging mat or cable. Once connected, the charge controller will start charging your device based on the settings you've chosen. Step 7. Disconnect and store your solar setup. Once your device is fully charged, it's time to disconnect the solar panel, charge controller, and power bank. Store your solar setup in a sunny spot when not in use. And that's it. You've now successfully built a simple solar setup to charge your small devices during the day. Enjoy the convenience and eco-friendly power from the sun.